This is another episode of Ask Jade. Today I am going to cover a few little tips and tricks for business owners regarding estate planning. So everyone needs an estate plan, but business owners even more so. So at the very least, you should have a will, which allows you to specify who you want your assets to be transferred to after you die, and it also lets you identify an executor who will take charge of those assets, manage their disbursement according to your instructions. But what I would recommend, especially for business owners, is a trust. It's like a will. It allows you to control what happens to your assets after you die, but it has a lot of advantages over a will, such as bypassing the probate process, which is very timely and expensive. Your assets are transferred immediately to your heirs, and your estate will remain private. There's revocable and irrevocable wills. That gets pretty nuanced on the differences, but an irrevocable can help reduce things like legal fees and estate taxes that your estate or heirs will have to pay. If you have more questions about that, of course, you can contact me. But then another idea is doing payable on death on things such as your bank accounts, which again avoids probate, the timeliness and expensiveness of that. Another thing you should have is a power of attorney. This allows you to name an individual to carry out your business affairs should you become incapacitated for any reason. You're in the hospital, something like that. You can have a healthcare power of attorney and a property power of attorney. Also, especially if your business has multiple owners, a partnership, you should have a buy-sell agreement. Definitely a must. This establishes an agreed upon plan for the business's future should one of the owners die or become incapacitated. It defines a sale price for the business and your share. It allows you to document whether you want your partners to buy out your share, if you want it to go to your family, etc. So that's a must if you're a partnership or have multiple owners. Also insurance. Setting up an irrevocable life insurance trust is a pretty cool tool to use to avoid having your insurance proceeds count as part of your taxable estate. And it's a business expense, so you can have the business pay for those insurance premiums and it's deductible. And then last is having a succession plan. Especially if you're a sole proprietor, you should have a clear plan of what you want to happen to the business when you die. If you want to pass on the business, you should begin delegating and preparing a successor. Also, to prevent disagreements on your death and to ensure that things happen how you want with your business, create a document that outlines your wishes for your business's future, lay out important information about what the business owns and owes, and include a detailed list of accounts and passwords. So this is your tips and tricks for estate planning as a business owner from Ask Jade. Thanks.